So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a scoop of protein. We're gonna weigh it. So a serving is 35 grams. 35 grams. And then you're gonna crack the egg. You could either put the whole egg in or you can make it an egg white. I'm gonna do an egg white just because I don't wanna use the fat up right now for the day. So that's next. You're gonna put a teaspoon of baking powder. This is to add the fluff of the waffle. Then your batter should look like this. I added some water just to get like the batter a little more, and then you mix it up like this. Delicious. Right, Belly? Right? Belly? Right? Then your mom cleans the waffle maker.